Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I am announcing my 1K giveaway or sweepstakes. I'm not supposed to say giveaway. For getting to 1,000 subscribers. So I wanted to thank each and every one of you for helping me get to that milestone. And the sweepstakes prize is a $30 Amazon gift card. The sweepstakes starts today and ends on December 19th of this year. Um, so one Amazon gift card will be awarded to the winner. And if you watched my last video and saw me put this folio together as a bonus prize, you can choose whether you would like to have that added to your winnings or not. So in order to be entered, you must subscribe to my channel, leave a comment on this video, and give this video a thumbs up. When you get to the end of this video, on the end screen will be another of my videos, and you need to watch that video and comment with the comment *win. And if you would like 2 extra entries, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and both of those links are in the description box below. Unfortunately, there's always some fine print. You must be 18 years old to enter. The sweepstakes is free. YouTube does not sponsor this sweepstakes or contest, and the winner must provide a mailing address to receive their prize. And that's it. Pretty simple. I hope you all enter. Good luck to you all, and I'll see you on the 19th with the announcement of the winner. Until then, go make some art. Bye.